All right, welcome. We have this question from jamb 2001 question 8, where we're given the matrix K equal bracket open 2, 1, 3, 4 bracket close. The matrix K square plus K plus I, where I is the 2 by 2 identity matrix is. All right, in solving something like this, what we'll do is quickly write down solution, note solution. And we first recall that the 2 by 2 identity matrix I is equal to bracket open 1, 0, 0, 1 bracket close. These are value for the 2 by 2 identity matrix. Now we proceed further to look for a value for K squared. K squared. K squared is the same thing as K times K. That is equal to bracket open. We'll copy out our value for K, which is 2, 1, 3, 4, bracket close, right, bracket open, 2, 1, 3, 4, bracket close. Now all these be equal to, we proceed to multiply K times K. Now in multiplication of a matrix, the operation is carried out as row times column. We multiply our rows against a column. In doing this, we write a bracket, and we have 2 times 2 plus 1 times 3. That is 2 from row 1, column 1, multiply the other two in the bracket from row 1, column 1, then 1 from row 1, column 2, multiply 3 from row 2, column 1. All right. Now we proceed further, and we have 2 times 1 plus 1 times 4. Next, we have 3 from row 2 now times 2 plus 4 times 3. Next, we have 3 times 1 plus 4 times 4. All right, bracket close. Okay, open our bracket. 2 times 2 gives us 4 plus 1 times 3, we have 3. 2 times 1 gives us 2 plus 1 times 4, we have 4. 3 times 2 gives us 6 plus 4 times 3 gives us 12. 3 times 1 gives us 3 plus 4 times 4, we have 16. All right, bracket close. All this will be equal to 4 plus 3, we have 7. 2 plus 4, we have 6. 6 plus 12, we have 18. 3 plus 16, we have 19. Bracket close. Now we've gotten our value for K squared. Having gotten this, we can now proceed to look for our value for K squared. K squared plus K plus I. All right. Now copy out our value for K squared. Brackets open. 7, 6. We have 18. And we have 19. Bracket close. Plus our value for K. Plus value for K, as we recall, is 2, 1, 3, 4, bracket close, plus our identity matrix, which is I, bracket open, 1, 0, 0, 1, bracket close. Now all these will be equal to, bracket open, 7 plus 2 plus 1, and we have 6 plus 1 plus 0. Next we have 18 plus 3 plus 0, and finally we have 19 plus 4 plus 1, bracket close, all right, equal to, bracket open, 7 plus 2 plus 1 gives us 10, 6 plus 1 plus 0 gives us 7, all right, 18 plus 3 plus 0, we have 21, then 19 plus 4 plus 1 gives us 24, bracket close. Therefore, our answer is bracket open, 10, 7, 21, 24, bracket close. Thank you.